You can also change values in a list. Okay, so we can change values. And changing values is very similar. Again, we're going to use the index of the item we want to change. Basically, we're saying in that spot, AR fruit, spot number 2, index 2, right? We are going to put this. It doesn't matter what's there, by the way. It could be empty. It could have another list. It could have anything in it. It could have a number in it. No matter what, after this second line of code runs, that second spot's gonna have watermelon in it. That's it. It won't ask what's there before. It just is gonna put it. It's gonna replace it with that. So this was my list before. This is my list after. I'm just gonna show you really quick with my list of names here. Let's say Bill. I should have kept that intact instead of deleting all of it, but that's okay. Dave, Joe. Okay, so if I print li names, it prints my list. If I want to replace Dave, poor Dave, I feel like I'm picking on him a little bit. Names, and I'm going to replace Dave, so that's slot number 1, right? Equals Susie. Okay, and now if we print li names again after that, what we have is the new list with Susie. Dave's gone. Okay, what we did there is we just replaced Dave with Susie, and Dave is no longer there. Sorry, Dave. So that is how you change values. You see, change values by identifying the slot that you want it to go into, or the index that you want to go, and saying that index equals a new value. Then it becomes the new value.